Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for the base, I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty concealer in 430. I'm just going to apply that on my eyelids. So to blend that all together, I'm going to be using the Real Techniques Expert Concealer Brush just to blend that out. So to start off with a sort of beige shade or like a brown shade, I'm going to use this colour called Relax. And this is from the Makeup Revolution palette in the shade Chilled. So it's this beautiful palette here, which I'm going to use. And I'm just going to go ahead and apply that on my eyelids now. Okay. So for the first colour of green, I am going to use, I think I might go and use this palette as well, which is e.l.f. Cosmetics, which is in the shade Jalapeno. So to start off, I'm going to use this deep green shade here. And I'm just going to apply bit by bit. And I mixed in the two shades, which is the deeper colour that I showed you. And it's this colour here, called Plant. I'm just building that up, as you can see. So for the next shade I'm going to use from e.l.f. is this colour here, the second to last colour, as you can see. And I'm going to mix a bit of that with the colour called Leaf, as you can see. So for the outer corners, I'm going to use Natural in this palette and also Burn, which is a deep brown colour. And that's just to smoke the eyes a bit. So for a lighter colour, I'm going to go in and use this shade here, which is the second colour. And I'm just applying this in the middle of my lids. And as you can see, it really opens up the eyes even like much better. It's a lovely olive glittery shade. Okay, so I'm going to go back in and I'm going to use the colour Leaf, which is here, and Natural. I'm just going to mix those together. In the e.l.f. palette, I'm going to use this golden colour here, and I'm going to use that right in the middle. Now just to blend it out a little bit on the top, I'm going in using the shade Plant, and I'm going to mix it with Relax. I'm just using a blender, eyeshadow blender.